Some people are obsessed with brands, logos everywhere, on their shirt, shoes, even in their belt, like they're walking billboards begging for validation. They think wearing expensive things makes them look successful. But let's be real, it's not always wealth. Sometimes it's just insecurity dressed in a logo. Because the same people flexing branded items can't even contribute when it actually matters. Like, for example, sharing some simple meals. They want attention, not responsibility. Image over substance. Understand this. Real wealth is quiet. It doesn't need to prove itself in public. If you have to show it, chances are you don't really have it. Don't pretend.